Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about mind-blowing designs and ideas of women, stylish crochet handbag designs, clutch designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts for stylish ladies. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet handbag designs, clutch designs, beautiful designing ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Decorated with flower beaded stones. Chain ideas, beautiful designing ideas you can see in this my video. You can easily carry, you can easily move with beautiful and stylish crochet handbag designs, clutch designs. So friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful handbags and clutch, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women, stylish crochet handbag designs, crochet clutch patterns, beautiful designing ideas you can see. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.